So I know what some of you are thinking. You just ended a ride at this little restaurant, the Jukebox Junction Soda Shop. And I did. But I'm getting ready to start another one, because that's how good the roads are in this area. Pretty much any way you go is pretty awesome. Just get on 276, going toward Brevard, which will take us to Pisgah National Forest into Brevard, North Carolina. Uso Road. It's 34 miles from here to Brevard, and it's all awesome. Beautiful river beside the road. About to get curvy. Alright, so we are properly going up the mountain now. Getting quite curvy. Nice steady incline going up. You know, so we're picking up elevation every second now. You know, just about to clear past all the residential areas and get out of that, and then we'll be just in the forest, which is always the goal. Tunnel of trees right now. Very pretty. The road is kind of wet. It stormed pretty hard yesterday, and it's rained a little bit on and off today. This road seems to be dry, though. It's been damp up to now, so I'm not complaining. Run it right on up the mountain here. The thing about this, 276 south going toward Brevard, it's a lot like a lot of mountain roads. The further you go up, the curvier they get. Assuming the speed limit's just because it gets steeper, curvier, and there's a lot of turnoffs back there, like parking areas. Popular when you come through here on a weekend during the summer. A lot of people will be parked there, going hiking, riding bicycles, that kind of thing. So, oh, look at this! It's one of them good signs. Look at that. 15 miles an hour, next 4 miles. It's my favorite kinds of signs, y'all. I know I say it all the time. But it's still true. This road, as with many roads, and I'd say this all the time to you all, this road goes up, and you can get on Blue Ridge Parkway off of this road. So every road that goes up to meet the Blue Ridge Parkway is pretty awesome. And here is a pretty neat little roadside waterfall. I'm guessing that's mostly here because it stormed hard yesterday. There's a lot of extra water coming down right now. Pretty though. Will not be the last waterfall we see on this ride. Left, right, left, right, 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 left, left, left. Just, you know, it's curvy. It's awesome. That's the way mountain roads are supposed to be. I wish all roads were like this. Prepared to stop. What that's about. I am prepared to stop, but I don't want to stop. Oh, there's a red light. We should slow down here and see what's up. Oh, hey, it's green. Go for it. I don't know if it's actually trying to rain just a little bit, or if the front tire of the Scrambler is just throwing water up in my face. Because it likes to do that. It does it when the road's dry, too. It just picks up little gravels and dirt and stuff and throws it up in the air, and then it flies back and hits me in the face. What a ride. If you haven't done this, heck, even if you have done this, you need to come back and do it again. Because it's even better than you remember it being. Parkway ahead. So yeah, like I was saying, any road that intersects the Blue Ridge Parkway is probably pretty good. Guy carrying some big rocks. Guy carrying probably some other big rocks. Yeah. Not for me, thanks. So, alright, Pisgah National Forest. Told you we would be in there. This is now called the Pisgah Highway instead of the Crusoe Highway. I feel like there's probably water on the lens. My visor's got a bunch of little water drops on it. And we're riding through a national forest, 'cause those are the coolest places to be. You're welcome. So we're doing this. This is a Tuesday. Monday to Thursday are the best time to come and do things like this, because this place gets pretty packed. It's very popular for tourists, especially in the summer. I like to think and hope that you are going to pull out of my way when you get a chance. The Biltmore Forest School. Actually, I went to a forest school. I wonder what a forest school actually is. Anyway, let's focus on the kick-ass road in front of us right now. How about that? Back to wet pavement again. Very wet pavement right there. And a little tiny bridge. What a road it is, though, when you do get a chance to ride it without traffic in your way. It is spectacular. Sliding rock. This is where you can go and you slide down the rocks. I don't know what else to call it. No lifeguard, no bathroom, no fee. Alright then.
The thing is, if you come here in the summer, you usually can't get anywhere near it because it's so jam-packed full of people. There's so many people here in the summer. Anyway, you come here, you pay $5, you slide down the rock, walk up the thing, and then you slide down the thing. You walk up the thing, and then you slide down the thing.
This is basically all I do anymore. So that's sliding rock. Pay $5 and slide down the rock. Probably is a lot of fun. We're going to work our way down to Looking Glass Falls. Enjoy the road in the meantime. Yeehaw! Waterfall. Looking Glass. 1,000 feet. Ah yes, as predicted. Not many people here at all.
Just as a little known fact, the most photographed waterfall on the East Coast. Right here. Looking Glass Falls in Pisgah National Forest.
I complain a lot when I come here and it's crowded, but I understand why. Because there's so many things to do here for so many different people. There's hiking, biking, fishing, motorcycling, swimming, waterfalling. Yeah, I mean, there's just a ton of stuff to do. There's camping areas, there's picnic areas. I understand why it's crowded here in the summer. Because if you like nature and coming out and doing things in nature, this is a really good place to do it. But it's also a really good place to come and ride during the week because there's not much traffic. We are all but done with this ride. The last half mile of it here, I think. But just to put you out straight into Brevard, North Carolina, come here to stay for a week and you still won't be able to do all of the good roads that are in this area. We're going to pick one spot in the Appalachians to set up a base camp in order to go and explore all the cool roads. You could do a lot worse than this place. So we've come to that part of the video where I ask you if you liked the video to like it, leave a comment if you didn't like it, or if you liked it, either one, whichever. Just say something. Subscribe, share, all that kind of good stuff, because every time you do that, it gets me one step closer to being able to go do the next cool thing. Pisgah National Forest, cool place to be. Let's go find something else cool to do.